dhiiggeeda dhan dhulka ayuu daatay miiska xataa aan ku fadhino wada dhiig ay ka dhigtay maxaa yeelay koobka si xun ayuu jajabay waxyaabo badan oo firir ka baxay marka firirkii aan ka qaaday
Apa khabar?
Mana dinta oo dadar fuule darkeyga lisaarile haleegu dhaqee dhuwa dareerkeede Joya, thanks. This is for me.
For our.
Really?
Why you drink?
This is for tahleel, right?
Tahleel. What is tahleel?
Tahleel. Tahleel, the special water from
Special
Quran.
water. Oh, okay, okay. Then we like this, okay.
What's that?
Assalamualaikum. I don't.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. ونيدي مدة سلام دمان أصحابتا أنا يا قرح ملكستو أجوكتان enjoy ونكسن.
Yes, enjoy ونكسن.
قلب ونكسن.
قلب ونكسن. حبي ونكسن. أسر ونكسن.
مغرب. محنو هي سامانتا بخ دجوجي هذه.
Okay. Today I have 1 glass of water. I want to throw on Mohanad.
What do you want?
I want to throw on you.
Why?
Because last time when I went to Pakistan, you know,
I already take shower, you know. I'm clean.
No, you are not clean.
Yeah, I'm clean. I'm clean.
Okay, now this is like I want to do a challenge with you. No
Challenge?
laugh challenge.
Really?
Okay? So you put water. Then I try to. You must be laugh.
I cannot. I cannot. I can't. I everything can't I understand for you with you. Shake a cloud. Hey, what? Hey, keep quiet.
Okay, like this.
And then?
Understand? If you lose, like this, if you throw, then it's when you lose. Okay? Then I beat you 5
Really?
times.
How many minutes for I can put my? I can keep 5.
Yes. Okay.
The water.
Okay. Okay. If you cannot, then I beat you like this. 1, 2.
Hey, still not start your challenge. Wait.
I just show you like this.
Lakin, but this is cool water.
Yes. Because cold water you can't keep in mouth. That's why.
You want keep my mouth
Yes.
for
I
5 minutes.
Yeah. No, then I try to laugh you. If you throw, then you.
You tried me, love me.
Yes.
Hey!
Hey!
You know my age?
42.
You are big liar because I'm still 14 years old. You know?
Astaghfirullah.
Yeah,
Allah, why I know died before this listening.
After 2 hours, I'm 15. After 2 hours is my birthday. Is 15 years old for me. You understand?
Then after 2 hours, 17.
Yeah, this
after
is the fake one. This is the fake. I'm still young.
Okay, you said, then I agree. Then it's mean
What
I am
about
7
you,
years.
love? Because I'm still young.
Then I am 7 years, right?
You 7 years.
Yes.
Go back to home.
Yeah. Even my milk bottle is at home. So
Hey.
what do you say now?
Stop choking. What do you want to make it today?
Oh my God, why you don't understand?
This is not impossible, you know.
Why impossible?
Okay, I can start.
You take inside. कुछ होता है तुम पास आए मुस्कुराए नहीं न जाने
بينك الله guys sa arkaysan koobkii oo biyaha lagu hayay dhan waa bajajaway ba isaga dhan you okay?
Yes.
Oh my goodness gacanta ay iska qashay waxay dhahday biyaha afka ku hay afka markaa ku haysid هدي أتوفت مسي أفكار ومعناه سكر كريكو وانكبدي عملي هذا لكن ما حكوا قلتها لها كوب كده ماشي على أي جبسة أيضا وبس خش Gacanta Iska خشي oh my goodness Naina I'm sorry جويا بس خشي كوب كده جبسة كم جوي مانا وحكي لما أنا قاسو جاي من جوي
ناينا كنا
I want to beat him but
enjoy تعالي سامح معي داوي مع سبيسة
داوي هذا دكتور كو جاي صحوا أنا قبل مسوق هذا الشهادة ولا
أي سألك بلونا هنا
ما كركالي نمر هذا بالله ورا enjoy
أنا قلت له يا
ما أنا فرتري إنك جوين كبخا enjoy بتاعي
oh my god
enjoy واي بدي إسخش معنا
please
put down dhiiggeeda dhan dhulka ayuu daatay miiska xataa aan ku fadhino wada dhiig ay karigtay maxaa yeelay koobka si xun ayuu jajabay waxyaabo badan oo firir ka baxay marka firirkii aan ka waayo markuu jawayo ku sii dhagtay bash gacanta ka sii qalay waana ka xumaay horta wixii kuugu dhacay ama wixii nayna ku dhacay intaasna waxa keenaa wax kale ma fudeedu ku waa xogaa laakiin wax qoran waay this is qadarullah this is from Allah you know
yes.
But you have I told you last time I say you have some مدح فلوخ you know
yes I know you told me this
yeah.
every time you say me like
yeah
this
it's bad
words
yeah you born time is February some people
August.
to born in the February the people say like this you understand
no what I do I
Yes.
just come like this no this your bad eyes you say why Nana want to beat me why Nana want to
yes guys كوبكي وينا وكان انت انا كسو هاري why you put it here it's not I see something to Bobby.
yes okay I want to record a video with him after many days right
Yeah.
yes after many days but his bad eyes cut my hand
I think so. This is prank. Yeah, you wanna make prank for me, but
oh my god
this is for you.
this done to me
prank يا لقي يا بني أنا ربطني يقول سميسو لكن أيدي بقبض بعشا ملينا but I'm so sorry. دي هذا وقوح معي فهمتي؟
sorry
I'm so sorry. Yes.
it's okay
marka guys videogeena intaan ka badan ma sii wadi karno maxaa yeelay challenge-gii buu dhiiqday ba sheekadan ay isku bedeshay saa hor idinku sheegina waan ka xumahay waxa meesha ka dhacay naynana waxaan rajeynayaa farteedana ay caafimaado marka videogeena intaan ka badan ma sii wadi karno waa kuma sitii maadaama muuqaalkan si qurux badan ku dhameysteen bye bye caafimaadaan ku rajeynayaa God bless you